Welcome to SAP Knowledge in a Nutshell. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most important transaction codes in SAP User Administration, SU01, which is the central starting point for user administration activities in SAP. Let's begin with an overview of transaction SU01, a key transaction for SAP user administrators to manage user data and authorizations. With SU01, you can create, change, and display user accounts and also delete, lock, or unlock them as needed. We start in SU01 by entering the user ID X_FI and then select the Display button to view the user details. The entry screen is the Address tab, which holds basic information about the user, including first and last name, function and department, as well as communication details. Next, we move to the Login Data tab. Here the user type is set, and depending on the type, the password can also be set. A user group for authorization checks can be assigned to help manage users more efficiently. Additional details, such as an alias, the security policy, or a validity period, can also be specified. In the SNC tab, you can display the SNC status and maintain SNC data, such as the SNC name. In the Default tab, information such as time and date settings and spool control can be maintained. The Parameters tab lets you maintain get and set parameters, which can automatically suggest values from SAP memory, for example, the BUK parameter for the company code. In transaction SU01, there are three ways to assign authorizations to a user. The first two can be found in the Roles tab. You can either assign single roles or composite roles directly, or you can specify a reference user in the dedicated field. When a reference user is maintained, the user automatically inherits the authorizations of that reference user. In the Profiles tab, you can see the profiles that have been assigned through the roles. The third option for assigning authorizations is the direct assignment of profiles. However, this approach is generally not recommended and is therefore not demonstrated here. The Groups tab can optionally be used to assign users to user groups as logical grouping to simplify user selection or mass processing actions. The Personalization tab can be used to configure user-specific settings and default values for applications. In the License Data tab, you can maintain the contractual user type ID of the SAP user. In the User Attributes tab, user attributes can optionally be maintained to control access to logs and error messages created by a user. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more? Check out our video channel on our homepage for more SAP knowledge, or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.